Assume, for example, you are running a query and you have this error, could not find the server in sys.servers. How to resolve it? Copy the server name, copy the complete server name. Requirement is to access second server data from first server. I have two servers with me. I am right now connected to the first server, my SQL School INS1. From there, trying to connect to SQL School INS2. And I see error, could not find the server. So copy the server, go to first server from where we are connecting. We are connecting from first server. So go to first server, right click new linked server, this one. Provide that server name. Could not find the server. So add that server to the entry, to the sys.servers entry. Sys.servers is a view. Sys.servers is a system view. That system view should have an entry for this new server, our target server, the remote server. So select SQL Server type, security. You may provide your target server login name, password, or if the target server is in the same domain, same network as the source, you can even provide current security context. So you choose either third or fourth option, click OK. Then right click test connection. Make sure it is succeeded. And that's it, you are done. From one server, we can happily access data which is available inside a different server. So this other server, second server, can be local or remote, anything. That's how it is. So linked servers are server objects to link one server to another. Server means instance, local or remote instance. Purpose: to implement remote joins and distributed queries, part of our training classes. So from one server, you would like to access other server. You are sitting inside the first server. You would like to pull data from second server. So we need to create a linked server inside this. This is a one-way traffic. Using linked server created in server 1, we can access data from server 2. If in case, in future, if you wanted to access data, say for example, you are connected to server 2, you wanted to access data which is available from server 1, available in server 1, then again we have to create a linked server here connecting to server 1. So linked server is always one way, remember. So once we have linked server registered, then you no longer see that error like could not find the entry in sys.servers.